This is how everyday materials are transformed into the products we use.
This flawless diamond holds a secret most people would never imagine, because it was never mined from the earth at all. For centuries, diamonds came from violent excavation sites. Entire landscapes were torn apart searching for a single stone. Thousands of tons of rock were crushed for tiny hidden crystals, and most of it yielded nothing valuable at all. Yet today, diamonds are born inside controlled laboratory environments. Not beneath volcanoes, but inside steel machines. It begins with ultra-pure graphite, refined to extreme laboratory standards. A microscopic diamond seed is carefully chosen for growth. A metallic catalyst surrounds the carbon, enabling atomic transformation. The capsule is sealed under exact mechanical tolerances before the process begins. Hydraulic systems generate immense controlled compression forces. Temperatures rise to mimic conditions found deep within Earth's mantle. Under this extreme pressure and heat, carbon atoms begin restructuring. Layer by layer, a stable crystal lattice expands outward from the tiny seed. For weeks, conditions remain precisely stable without interruption. Time itself becomes compressed inside this laboratory. Cooling must occur gradually to prevent internal stress fractures. Pressure is reduced slowly to avoid structural shock. When the chamber finally opens, a raw diamond crystal emerges. But the process is far from complete. The rough crystal is purified through controlled chemical treatment. Experts inspect it carefully to determine its cutting potential. Advanced software calculates the most profitable cutting geometry, mapping every angle to maximize brilliance and carat yield. High-energy lasers carve the first precise facets. Each surface is shaped with microscopic accuracy. The stone is mounted and polished using diamond-coated wheels, refining every facet to maximize light performance. Optical testing ensures perfect symmetry and brilliance. Laser imaging verifies clarity down to microscopic detail. What took nature billions of years now takes only weeks. There is even a second method using plasma technology. Inside a vacuum chamber, carbon-rich gas transforms into glowing plasma. Atoms break apart and settle layer by layer onto a diamond seed, building a flawless crystal with extraordinary precision. This is no experiment. It is full-scale industrial production. Facilities operate continuously, day and night. Every stone is engineered, measured, and perfectly controlled. Some factories produce thousands of carats every month, with inventory worth millions sitting beneath these heights. In stores, they shine no differently than mined diamonds. Scientifically, they are identical. The same carbon structure, the same hardness, the same sparkle. Yet origin still matters deeply to many collectors. For generations, luxury was defined by rarity, by the idea that something took billions of years to form beneath the earth. Now, rarity can be engineered. Scarcity can be scheduled. Perfection can be repeated.
If you enjoyed this process, like the video and subscribe for more documentaries like this.